what are directors' responsibilities? So under the Irish law, and the law is similar in many countries, the director has so-called principal fiduciary duties. A fiduciary duty is an obligation to act in the best interest of the company. It means that company directors are expected to act with high standard of honesty and full disclosure with regard to the company, and must not obtain a personal benefit at the expense of the company. So just to mention, you can see on the screen what are the major responsibilities of company directors. So as I said already, they are expected to act in good faith and in the interest of company, act honestly, responsibly, according to the company's constitution. They should not use the company property or information for their own benefit. They should avoid conflict of interest, and they should exercise care, skill, and diligence according to the director's knowledge and experience. Also, they should have regard to the interest of the company's employees and members. So these are the most important responsibilities of the company directors. They are quite specific. It's different with sole traders, it's more fluid. So it's important to be aware of that. What are compliance obligations? Apart from the fiduciary duties we already mentioned, directors have reporting obligations, which relate to filing returns and documents with company's registration office. So every company, whether trading or not, must file an annual return no later than 28 days from its statutory annual return date, RD. We talked about that already. And it is the director's responsibility that the returns are filed. In the majority of cases, the annual return has to be accompanied by a set of financial statements. Smaller companies will be exempt from some of them. Late filing penalties will apply for returns not filed on time, and this may be substantial, as we already said, and it's very important that the directors make sure the returns are filed on time. Also, directors are responsible for the correctness of contact details with CRO. Each director is in charge of informing CRO about changes of information in relation to the company, like company constitution, share capital, directors and secretary personal details, for instance.